So welcome back, everyone. All right, so here we are here. Jaden, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so that's the birdhouse right there that we're getting ready to paint. So we're just gonna pick the colors and see what color. Oh, I almost dropped it. What colors do you want to do, baby?
That one.
There's blue,
We want that one.
yellow.
We want that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, look. There's orange. We got orange. We
Yeah.
got green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We got purple.
What's this?
That's teal.
Teal?
Teal. We got brown, like a beige. Dark brown, espresso. We got
That,
pink.
that's sun.
We got black.
That's the sun.
That looks like the sun. Very smart. Yes, it does look like the sun. See? Yellow. Give me a second, okay? So we're gonna get ready. I need you to pick the colors though. What colors are we gonna use?
This one.
Okay, but what other colors are we using?
That one.
No, we're not gonna use them all. So what color do you wanna paint the house? Tell mama.
Blue.
Okay, so you want the teal and what else? What other blue do you want? You got this blue here, and I think there's navy blue, and then we got white.
What's this?
That's blue too. That's like a dark blue.
Yo, what's this?
Blue.
No, what's this?
The paint, it's just a mark.
No, that.
What? It's okay.
Oh, that's spider.
Oh, a spider?
Yeah, and you kill bugs.
Oh, we killed the bugs? Okay.
Yeah, this.
So what color? Come on. What color do you think we should use? You want that? You don't want.
That say bugs.
Okay, that says
Right.
bugs.
Yeah, bugs.
All right, so that one says bugs. So we're not. All right, guys, we're not using navy because this right here, it says bugs. So we're not using that.
What's this one?
That's teal.
No, this have bugs.
Okay, that doesn't have bugs, so
No,
we can
right
use
here.
that. Okay.
Miss, look at this closer.
You want to look at it closer? Okay.
Miss,
So pick the color you want to use. Okay. You pick the colors that you want to use.
Wait. Where bug?
What? It's in here. That's not the bug one. The bug is there.
You take closer it?
Do I look at it closer? Yeah, it's just paint. You see? Look.
No, dog.
All right. So this one's out of the question. Okay, so what other color do you want to do?
This one.
Okay, you want gray? All right, we're not going to open it right this second. I want you to pick the colors first. Gray and teal. And you want to do some yellow?
Yellow. Brown. The brown.
Yeah, that's brown too.
Just
Dark brown. Mhm.
Dark brown and brown. Brown green.
And green.
We say brown this and that green.
Yeah, you made a mistake.
What's the stripe?
It's just paint.
Yeah, pink.
Yeah, paint.
Pink it out.
Okay.
Pink it out. It's that.
Okay.
That's young time.
That's young time?
Yeah.
Okay.
It depends.
All right, so I got teal, white, and gray so far. What other color? And yellow.
This me take that one.
Okay, go ahead and shake it. All right, guys, so this is going to be a process in itself. So we're going to finish picking the colors out, and we'll be right back.
Mom.
All right, guys, so Jaden picked out his colors. So this is the colors. Let me see. I'm sorry, I can't really tell. Those are the colors that Jaden picked. We have orange, white, purple, blue, teal, gray, yellow, and green. So
Orange.
and orange, yep. So those are the colors that he wanted. So
Yeah, me pick everything.
okay,
Yeah, me pick everything.
you picked everything. All right.
Yeah.
So what
This,
color?
this.
What color are you gonna use?
This is
Which one you want to use first?
one.
The gray? All right. Now start coloring here. All right. Nice.
This is
Well, babe, you have to clean your brush off before you pick a new color. So far, this is what we got here. Okay, babe, don't dump it into a new color without rinsing your brush off. Okay, you got to rinse your brush. Rinse it. Okay, shake it around. All right, rinsey. All right, sorry guys, this is all over the place because as you can tell, I have to try to help him and it becomes difficult with one hand, and I wanted you to actually see him paint. So putting it on the tripod works, but it only works for a little bit because I wanted you to see what he's doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and help him out with the rest of his birdhouse, and we'll be back in a few to show you our progress, okay? All right, now dab it on the thing. Yep, okay. Okay, there you go. Sorry guys, this is a very amateur video. We're trying to get a hang of the whole thing here, but this is just, you guys can get the gist of what we're doing. So now he's adding some orange onto his blue. Very nice. Okay, so you're gonna move down there now. All right, so, okay, you remembered, thank you. All right, you rinse your brush. There you go. All right. So now we got a new color. Oh, Mr. Picasso. Just kidding, y'all. He's my Jaden Bug. My Jaden Bug. He's doing such a good job. I'll move it. I'll move it, baby. I'll move it. Oh. Doing such a good job. Here you go, your napkin. All right.
My napkin.
All right.
Green.
Hey, but you're mixing it. You gotta paint. You're just mixing the paint now. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. It's Jaden's painting. It. It's a wrap. Definitely interesting when you're trying to let your kids do paintings, because to try to get them to listen at the same time. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We'll be back with more videos.